This micro-credential discusses basic procedures for wind turbine technicians. There are 3 targeted skills. This targeted skill discusses wind turbine maintenance and inspection. Wind turbine towers, both on and offshore, consist of sections bolted together. These sections house controls and power cables that run the tower's length. A wind turbine lasts an average of 20 years. Proper maintenance several times a year helps avoid unscheduled stoppages, higher repair costs, and meets conditions of the manufacturer's warranty so it is not voided. Maintenance is done by wind turbine technicians or wind techs, who are specialists trained in all aspects of wind turbine mechanisms and can work in high places and confined spaces. Wind turbine hardware requires the most maintenance. This includes a turbine gearbox, the generator, and especially its bearings and gears, which require workers to travel to the site when the turbine is not producing power. Downtime averages 6 days. Sometimes contaminants like sand or dirt enter the mechanisms and cause failure of mechanical parts. When a turbine is not producing enough power, it likely needs maintenance. 2 main types of maintenance procedures are used: predictive and preventative. Predictive maintenance is based on information returned by sensors monitoring various components. The sensors can relay information about the level of lubricants, vibrations or shifting, and temperature to the maintenance team. In addition, the wind technician can have the skills to perform predictive maintenance such as thermal imaging and vibration reading tools. For example, if something is overheating, action can be taken before the problem worsens. Even small vibrations can cause gears to deteriorate and cause a fire. Preventative maintenance involves periodic cleaning, lubrication, and replacement of parts known to fail more frequently, like gears, especially when operating at high speeds. Inspections may be based on data from a series of sensors or a supervisory control and data acquisition system called SCADA that collects and sends data to a central location for analysis to reduce inspection time. In addition, drones can be equipped with sensors and cameras to collect data, such as hot spots or damage from high places on a tower that are not safe for workers. The main components that need regular inspection are the tower, nacelle, blades, generator, gearbox, electrical power cables, and transformer. Periodic inspections are done during the year, but major inspections must be completed every 5 years. Turbine blades are inspected for proper position and mounting and for any damage to the surface. The gearbox is inspected to ensure that gears are in good condition and can turn at speeds fast enough to generate power. The nacelle is like the hood of a car and houses the parts important to power generation. These parts are inspected for any cracks or corrosion. Electrical power cables run from the nacelle for the full length of the tower and are inspected to be sure that they are intact. Transformers move power within the turbine. They can degrade under harsh conditions and should be inspected for stability. Towers are made of steel and are situated on concrete bases. When there are high winds and extreme conditions, a tower or its base can shift. They need to be monitored to prevent tower collapse. Proper maintenance is very important for costly wind turbines. If not maintained, they can stop producing electricity or in extreme conditions completely collapse. Inspecting the main components is the best way to ensure the safety of the workers on site. Today's technology makes inspection and maintenance safer with more frequent data collection.